Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our Vidyabhushan English Primary School Dahisarist Online Studies Standard 3. Myself, Mrs. Ankita Kathore. Today, our subject is English Grammar, and we are going to learn our next topic, subject and predicate. A sentence can be divided into two parts. The first part we call subject, and the second part we call predicate. Now come to the definition of the subject and predicate. The subject is the person or thing spoken about. The subject is usually comes at the beginning of a sentence. Means the first part of the sentence we call the subject. The predicate tells us something about the subject. It means the predicate usually comes after the subject. Means the second part of the sentence we call predicate. Now children, we are taking some examples over here. Cow gives us milk. Now in this sentence we are talking about cow. So cow is the subject and gives us milk is the something about cow, something about subject, so that gives us milk is the predicate and it comes after the subject. Now second example, dog runs in the park. Now again children, here we are talking about dog, so that dog is the subject and it comes at the beginning of the sentence, and the rest of the sentence part, that is runs in the park, is the something about the subject, that is something about the dog. Runs in the park is predicate and it comes after the subject. Now the next example, the clock tells us the time. Again children, in this example we are talking about the clock. So the clock is the subject and the rest of the part of the sentence is called predicate. One more example we are taking here. This shop has many toys. Now look carefully. In this sentence again we are talking about the shop, so that this shop is the subject and the rest of the part of the sentence, that is has many toys, is called predicate. This way children, you can easily identify the subject and predicate in the given sentences. Now identify the subject and predicate from the given sentences. Now this is evaluation part. I am taking some examples. Some sentences are given. Plants grow into trees. In this sentence we are talking about plants, so we have to put S over here for subject and the rest of the part is predicate, that is grow into trees, so that we put P over here for predicate. The second example, the lazy boy was encouraged by his teacher. Now in this sentence we are talking about the lazy boy. So the lazy boy is the subject and was encouraged by his teacher is the rest of the part of the sentence, so that it is called a predicate. Next sentence, colorful curtains covered the windows. Now in this sentence, students, we are talking about colorful curtains. So the colorful curtains is subject and covered the window is called predicate. This way, children, you can easily identify the subject and predicate from the given sentence. Thank you.